Hi, I'm a project manager, and I literally don't understand the projects that I'm managing. I set up these daily checkpoint calls with our engineering team where I basically ask them stupid questions for hours, taking away their precious time to work on the project. During these calls, I'll ask them to pause so I can grab my notebook and take really good, detailed notes. These notes aren't good, man. They're just scribbles, meaningless. If I look at them after the call, I won't be able to decipher anything I wrote. Sometimes the engineers decide to get testy with me and ask why I need this update. I'll tell them we really have to give these updates to our stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? What does the word stakeholder even mean? I have no clue. I heard it in one of my business classes in college, and it stuck with me. I think it sounds legit, so I'll just say it in meetings. I usually log off around 5, and that's when our engineering team begins working on the project, and they'll usually work throughout the night to reach their deadline.